Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, and if you've been around for quite some time, you're well aware of these videos on my channel. Sweet Sparkle is a monthly beauty subscription service that's $21 a month, and they have free worldwide shipping. So anywhere in the world, and you can receive this Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. And I believe I said that it's $21 a month. However, if you don't subscribe every month, the prices do go up. So I'll have the payment plan information and all that stuff linked in the description. Actually, this is my second time trying to film this because the first time that I filmed it, my lipstick application, I'm wearing a different one than I was the first time I filmed it. But the lipstick application was so messed up, and I can't even believe I didn't notice that before I filmed. And when I was editing, I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot put this on the internet. So I had to redo my lipstick, and so now I have to refilm. Because of that, I had emptied the box and everything. This is what the box looks like if you're new to Sweet Sparkle, and it usually has like tissue paper and like little crinkly things packing in it, and it's all cute and everything, and it comes with the card. But I was like, oh, I'm done with the unboxing, like I don't need any of the packaging now. Well, I was wrong. So I just have the products in this little dish right here. Dishes from Target, by the way. Dish. It sounds like I'm saying this. Dishes from Target. The dish that the products are in is from Target, and then it comes with this little card. So this month's theme is Holographic Magic, and it has the products on the back as well as the price. It usually has like a little explanation of the products too, but this month it just says their name and the price. This is actually February's box too, because I subscribed late and stuff, and then I actually have my March box, but I'm getting caught up on my Sweet Sparkle Beauty boxes, so I apologize. So this was actually February's theme. I guess I'll just kind of go ahead and get into it. Also, Sweet Sparkle has an online store where you can get free worldwide shipping on orders $25 or more, and they're also the only beauty subscription service that is featured around an entire makeup look. So they give you everything except for foundation, powder, and concealer and all that to create a look. So like I said, this month's theme is Holographic Magic, and then on my channel I create a makeup tutorial every month based on the products of the theme of that month. I guess that's all the basics, and we'll just go ahead and get back into the products. Like, all my little impressions aren't going to be as genuine because like I already saw everything the first time when I originally did the unboxing, so I guess I'll just go in and kind of explain to you guys the products. But the first thing is by the brand Dome, and this is the Magnetic Lash Mascara. I have never seen anything like this before. I've never even heard of the brand Dome Beauty, so if you gals have heard of this before, let me know. I'm not going to open it, only because I have so many mascaras open, and I'm waiting for the tutorial that I'm probably going to film tomorrow, but I don't want to open it until I start the tutorial, just so it's as fresh as possible. So I'm excited to try it. The packaging is very sleek and unique, and like I said, I've never tried a magnetic lash mascara or ever heard of the brand Dome, so this should be fun. The next product that was in my box is by the brand Hikari, and this is the Lip and Cheek Stick in the shade Delicate. So this is huge. This is like a jumbo stick. Here is what it looks like. I'm surprised it's not like I don't know, I guess I just wasn't expecting this like normal of a pink for a holographic tutorial, but this is really pretty. I've never tried a lip and cheek stick from Hikari before, and I love their eye pigments. Oh my gosh, their eye pigments, amazing. Like, my favorite shade is Mink, just because I feel like it can go with literally any eye look, and it's just like, I just love it. So, highly recommend those. But anyways, oh, I forgot to tell you gals the prices. Lip and cheek stick from Hikari Cosmetics retails for $15, and then the Dome oh my goodness, the Dome Magnetic Lash Mascara retails for $25. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. And like I said, the box is only $21, so this month's box is an amazing value. This next product, I was like, when I originally did the unboxing, I was super intrigued because this is by the brand Cosmakery, and I've never heard of this brand for one. And then this is the Lip Transforming Gloss, so I have no idea what this is. It has no explanation on the card of what it is. It has the product name. I'm assuming, since this is a holographic magic tutorial, that when you put this on your lips, it's like supposed to make it all like glittery or like holographic. I have no idea, but this is what it looks like. I'm super nervous. I hope it doesn't taste bad or anything, but we'll have to wait and see in the tutorial on what it smells like or tastes like. Also, let me know if you guys have heard of the brand Cosmakery. And I love Sweet Sparkle because they have brands that I'm familiar with, but they also have so many brands that I'm not familiar with. So it gives me a chance to like try not only new products, but also new brands. So I wish I would have had my first impressions of this on video. I'm not going to upload it though, just because that lipstick application is like so bad. Obviously I don't care what people think, but like I care what I put on the internet, and I'm not perfect, and I know that, and I'm not trying to portray perfection on the internet. But some things you just don't want on the internet, and I do not want that on there. So I wish I'd have my first impressions of this, because this is an amazing product. I was so confused by it at first, but this is I don't know how to say it, Prismetal Chrome Eye Mousse. It's literally called Eye Mousse. This is in the shade Holography Types. I cannot wait to show you guys. So it's not used, by the way. I just watched it, but oh my gosh, I've never seen an eye product. Watch when I put my finger in it. Like, it's literally like mousse, and this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I feel like you could even use that as a highlight. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I do not have a product like this, and it literally feels like mousse. It's like so soft on the skin. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to put this to use. All the products that Sweet Sparkle puts in their monthly subscription boxes are full size 100% of the time. They're always full size. It retails for $5.99. That's pretty good. I mean, honestly, if you would have told me it was only $5.99, I literally would think it's like $10 or $15. Like, I cannot wait to try this. Probably my favorite product in the box. The last product that was in my Sweet Sparkle beauty box is by the brand P.O Cosmetics, and this, let me see, it just says it's a lipstick. It's in the shade Naked, so it's just your classic nude. This is like what I wear all the time. My lip color like looks so much brighter on camera than it is in real life, but this is like what I pretty much always wear. And you guys won't believe this, but this retails for $29. I love P.O Cosmetic glosses. By the way, if you've never tried their glosses, oh my gosh, they're so good, and I'm excited to try this. That was everything in my Sweet Sparkle beauty box for the theme Holographic Magic. I'm excited to create this tutorial for you guys in another video. Let me know if you enjoyed this month's Sweet Sparkle video and box, and be sure to subscribe to Sweet Sparkle down below. They're such an underrated brand, and this is not sponsored. They did not send me this box. They have sent me boxes in the past, but anyways, Sweet Sparkle, you guys know this, and I actually have a couple playlists of last year's Sweet Sparkle beauty boxes and this year's, and I also have a playlist for the tutorials. So if you want to be on like a Sweet Sparkle beauty box binge, I got you, girl. I guess that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye, guys.